Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into your Ubisoft account and going straight to account information. Once there, open connected accounts so you can see every linked platform. You need to confirm the Xbox Live entry and note the gamer tag listed, because that identifies the connection you will remove. If two-factor authentication is requested, complete it now to proceed securely. Do this before any unlinking to avoid accidental loss of access. Once confirmed, you're ready to remove the Xbox link. Now locate the Xbox Live entry and choose the disconnect or unlink action. You'll see a confirmation prompt explaining what unlinking affects, so read it. Once you confirm, Ubisoft severs the link between that Xbox account and your Ubisoft profile. This removes automatic progression syncs and account associations. Make sure to check any mentioned entitlements or save data warnings so you know what will be retained versus lost. If you rely on cloud saves, note where data stays and act accordingly before proceeding. Once the unlink completes, sign out of Ubisoft and sign back in, then sign into your Xbox to confirm the association is removed. This refreshes both services and avoids stale caches. If the unlink action fails or the Xbox still appears, clear your browser cache, try an alternate browser, or use the Ubisoft Connect desktop app to repeat the process. If issues persist, contact Ubisoft support with your gamer tag, Ubisoft ID, and screenshots showing the link. They can force the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.